Hi, it's CEO, and once again I'm here at beautiful Weir Farm, and I just gotta show you this. Right behind me is Weir Pond. Very beautiful place. In fact, Weir actually had this pond constructed with prize money that he won from an art exhibit that he did in Boston. So it's just a lovely place. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's actually a lot of frogs and peepers that are kind of barking behind me. They might have quieted it down because I'm here. But anyway, this is one of the many places that we can go during the Art of Phoneography, which is my free workshop on how to take better pictures with your smartphone camera. And so these are one of the many places we can visit to to test out different principles that have been employed by some of the world's best landscape painters that came to Weir Farm and were directly inspired by the landscape to create masterpieces that you can see at places like the Metropolitan Museum of Art.